All right, so we got 2 gallons. We changed out the compressor and the radiator, the top hose, bottom hose, and now it's time to replenish the fluids. So since the car was cold, I can go ahead and apply the fluid directly into my radiator. I just got 2 gallons again, antifreeze coolant, 50/50 pre-diluted. If you did a complete engine flush, you can use the red fluid, but I did not do that for the purpose of this video. So we're just gonna go ahead and replenish. Just poke that right out, and you're just gonna fill up the radiator until you see the fluid there at the top. Again, my engine is completely cold, which is the only reason why I'm pouring fluid directly into the radiator. If for any reason your car was on or the engine is hot, do not put coolant in it while it's off. You're gonna crack all your heads. Cut the car on first. But we're gonna go ahead, pour a little bit in there, check it for leaks out the bottom. It's bright green, so you'll be able to see it if it comes out anywhere. That's in there. Just go ahead and fill her up. Put it in there until it's empty. It should take the whole gallon pretty easily. There it is. Starting to see it rise to the top. Let's look at camera. You see it in there? It's coming up. All right. So once you empty your first gallon there, we want to go ahead and get all the air out of the radiator. First, let me go ahead and top it off. Let me top it up before we filter out this air. There we go. All right, filled up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut on the engine. All right, and I'm just gonna go ahead and have my beautiful assistant go ahead and do that for me. Gorgeous, guys. Even a woman can do this. Simple work, guys. Make sure your air's off. All right, so as you can see, engine kind of spit up there. It's all right. It's just coolant. Put that there. You may see a little white, you may see a little smoke, but that's nothing. That's just your coolant. Get this spillage up. We got this thing flowing. All right, come back, baby. Yeah, leave it on. You're gonna see the engine starting to drink. Engine starting to drink there. Just raising up the pressure. Looks like all the air is out. I don't see any bubbles. If there's any air, you'll see them coming out of there. See that? Get all of that air out of that radiator. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover her up. Let that pressure build up so we can circulate. Go check on that temperature gauge, make sure it's not going up. Go ahead and take a look at the gauge, man. Good, right? Alright, just because I'm under here, just gonna go ahead and check the oil. I just did an oil change not too long ago, so oil's still good on there. Or maybe I'll do the oil change later. Go in here. I may want to add a quart. May go get a quart of oil. All right, now, the moment we've all been waiting for. We're gonna go ahead and recharge this AC. Remember, it was completely empty. It was completely empty, so first off, if that's the case, we're gonna go ahead and put some in our reserve tank. And to keep it from splashing all over the place, we're just gonna pour it sideways in there. Just to the max fill line. You don't want to overfill it. Sorry folks, I got fun over that. Doing this for a while, so. Alright, that's about right. Everything's fresh and green. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead.